Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hardhat for deploying ERC-20 tokens step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that Node.js is installed on your computer. Open your command line interface. Create a new directory for your Hardhat project. Navigate into that directory. Run the command npm init to initialize a new node package. Install Hardhat by running npm install savedev Hardhat. Once installation is complete, execute npx Hardhat to set up your Hardhat project. Choose the option to create a basic sample project. Follow the prompts to set up the project. Once generated, navigate into the project directory. Open the contracts folder. Create a new file named mytoken.sol. In this file, import the OpenZeppelin ERC-20 library by adding the necessary pragma statements. Define your contract by extending the ERC-20 contract. Set the constructor to accept a name and symbol for the token. Specify the initial supply of the token in the constructor. Your completed contract should include mint and transfer functionalities. Next, open the scripts folder. Create a new file named deploy.js. In this file, import the Hardhat runtime environment. Set up an asynchronous function to deploy your contract. Use the getContractFactory method to create an instance of your token contract. Deploy the contract with the defined parameters using await. Log the contract address to the console after the deployment. Now, open the hardhat.config.js file. Ensure that your Solidity compiler version matches the one specified in your contract. Install the dotenv package by running npm install dotenv. Create a new file named .env in the root directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.